Y'all see it? Janet Jack. Janet Jack. Still clean. Janet Jackson still holding weight. Y'all see it? Y'all see Janet? Folgers. Nice flush trunk. With the Memphis in the back. Janet still holding weight. But we finna send his ass back to West Virginia. West VA. Coming back to you. Coming back to you. We did a full BMW 645 interior swap. Notice I said swap. Interior swap. We ain't do no dash swap. We did an interior swap. It's a difference when you do the dash, the console, the doors, the seats, rear panels. We do a complete swap. Y'all see it. Janet Jackson still killing. This is one of the hardest 442s in the game. Argue with me. Argue with me. Y'all see up under that thing, man. Y'all see up under that thing. Wildwood. Man, I ain't got nothing else to say, man. You know, it got a little LS3 in it. Vintage L. Spoiler on the back. With that cloth top on them. With the matching stitching. We swapped it all the way down to the gear shifter. All the way down to the gear shifter. You see that? Park. Sorry. Reverse. Drive. Even the light switch with you. Top, you know that's for the top up and the top down. What's he got? Got the AC. Locks. We gonna make it work, man. Headlights, y'all see the Cutlass up in there. I wonder. This is how a swap's supposed to be. You gonna do the dash, do the doors, do the seats, do the console, do it all. Or say the comparisons. Stitch by slick. I'm out. Be back in a minute. Whip of the weight! Whip of the weight!